Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Chromecast remote replacement is probably one of the most important accessories for your streaming setup, ensuring you never miss a moment of your favorite shows or movies. Whether you've lost your original, it's broken, or you simply want a spare, finding the right replacement is key to maintaining a smooth and enjoyable viewing experience. This video will guide you through the top choices, helping you select the perfect replacement for your needs and budget. Number 5. Pinowu Chromecast Silicone Case. It's difficult to find your remote in the dark. This bright, glow-in-the-dark case makes it easy to locate your remote, even at night. Simply expose it to a strong light for a few minutes to activate the glow. This slim case perfectly fits your 2020 Chromecast with Google TV Voice Remote. It's made of premium silicone to protect it from scratches, bumps, and dust. Tired of dropping your slippery remote? This case provides a much better grip, making it easier and safer to handle. The textured back adds extra security. Worried about dirt and germs on your remote? This washable silicone case keeps your remote clean and hygienic, protecting it from sticky fingers. The case cushions your remote, preventing damage to the battery compartment from drops. It adds a bit of extra weight, keeping everything securely in place. These covers are a must-have for anyone with a 2020 Chromecast with Google TV Voice Remote. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. If you frequently misplace your remote in the dark, this product is a lifesaver. Its glow-in-the-dark feature ensures easy location, even at night. The added grip prevents accidental drops, and the washable material keeps it clean. If you need a practical and easy-to-find solution, this is the one for you. What people say. These remote covers fit perfectly, they were easy to put on, they glow, green better than blue, but that's to be expected, help you grip the remote so it doesn't slip out of your hand, and makes it easy to find when watching a movie in the dark. Add some grip but not overly so. Those little Google remotes are slicker than snot. With this little silicone case it is much easier to grip and doesn't fall out your hand. Number 4. Google Chromecast Silicone Case. Tired of a dull-looking remote? This colorful silicone case gives your Google Chromecast remote a stylish upgrade. It's easy to install and provides excellent protection. The vibrant colors make it easy to locate your remote, and the precise cutouts ensure full access to all buttons and ports. It's designed for seamless functionality. This soft, lightweight case shields your remote from scratches, cracks, dust, and even slips. It's also washable for easy cleaning. The silicone material provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. Enjoy a better user experience with improved handling. It's so thin, you'll barely notice it's there. The buttons remain responsive and easy to press, even with the cover on. This pack includes 2 stylish silicone cases in different colors, so you can change up your look whenever you want. What we like. Worried about losing your remote? This one comes with a handy lanyard, preventing drops and misplacement. It offers great protection against scratches and damage, while the bright color makes it easy to spot among other items. If you value security and peace of mind, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The sleeve fits really well, the colors I selected work, and easy to see is low light conditions. The super bright color makes the remote easy to spot day or night. And it really does glow. Makes the remote feel more substantial to folks like myself with big hands. And it does glow in the dark a bit. Number 3. KWMOBILE Chromecast 2020 Cover Set. This set offers great protection for your Chromecast and remote. It's designed to perfectly fit your existing devices. The silicone case snugly fits your Chromecast 2020 4K, ensuring a secure and protective hold. It's designed to prevent overheating. This set includes a matching silicone case for both your Chromecast and your remote. Keep them safe from scratches and bumps. The remote cover allows full access to all buttons and sensors. You won't lose any functionality. The silicone material provides a much better grip, making it easier and more comfortable to hold your remote. Enjoy a more secure and comfortable viewing experience. The Chromecast case has an open design to allow for proper ventilation, preventing it from overheating while in use. Enjoy peace of mind. What we like. Looking for comprehensive protection for both your Chromecast and remote? This set provides covers for both, enhancing grip and preventing overheating. The silicone material offers a comfortable hold and protects against scratches. If you want all-around protection and a secure grip, this is the option for you. What people say. They're definitely good for that. If you travel with them, I would recommend that you get one. Also, it helps keep it nice. Easy to install. Works great to protect the remote. Good grip and fits perfectly. Sitzt gut, fühlt sich gut an, auch nach längerer Nutzung alles gut. Number 2. Chromecast Silicone Case. Say goodbye to lost remotes. This colorful silicone case is easy to spot and protects your device from bumps and scratches. It's made of high-quality silicone, so it's soft, durable, washable, and even a little stretchy. This case shields your remote from dust, scratches, and impacts, keeping it looking and working great. All the buttons and ports are easily accessible, so you won't miss a thing. The bright colors make it easy to find, and the included wrist strap adds an extra layer of security. You get one silicone protective cover and a handy wrist strap. The remote is not included. What we like. Tired of a constantly lost remote? This case includes a wrist strap, keeping your remote close at hand. It provides reliable protection against damage and dirt, and the bright color makes it easy to locate. If you prioritize security and convenience, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The remote no longer drops down in the sofa cushions, it's much easier to tell top from bottom, great feeling in the hand. The remote without this cover was super slippery. No longer with this cover. They fit great, we don't have grip issues anymore, and now the only thing I worry about is if the cat is going to take it because she really loves the wrist strap. The fit is superb. The material seems to be good quality. And the color is far more attractive than in their photos. Number 1. Google TV Remote Silicone Case. This sleek silicone case offers superior protection for your Google TV remote. It's lightweight and easy to use, ensuring your remote stays safe and functional. It's a soft, shockproof cover that prevents accidental drops and battery ejection. The snug fit ensures all buttons remain easily accessible. The included wrist strap keeps it securely attached to your wrist, preventing loss. It's perfect for those who are always on the go. The textured back provides a non-slip grip, preventing accidental drops. All cutouts are precisely aligned for easy button access. This case is designed for long-lasting use. It's washable, making it easy to keep clean and hygienic. The vibrant lime green color glows in the dark after being exposed to light, making it easy to find in low-light conditions. It's a practical and stylish addition to your remote. What we like. Want a secure and comfortable grip on your remote? This case offers a wrist strap for added security and an anti-slip design for better handling. It also protects your remote from drops and scratches. If you value a secure and comfortable user experience, this is the one for you. What people say. This cover was cut perfectly. Easy access to all buttons, and I have never accidentally pushed a button since I can now more easily feel where what is with the case on the remote. Although it does not make it that much bigger, it does enlarge it a bit, and the bumps on the back makes your grip very positive. The holes are in the exact right place and do not interfere with the operation. The cover makes the remote much easier to handle and not slip away so easily. The strap is a nice feature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.